We are marking Workers' Day at a difficult time for our country and the world. The poor and the working class are having to bear the burden of a global pandemic that has caused severe economic and social disruption. It is now clear that the world will experience a substantial economic contraction and in the immediate future, a significant rise in joblessness. Our own country, South Africa, will not be spared from this. The challenges that confronted us before the outbreak of coronavirus, such as low economic growth, unemployment, poverty and inequality, have been exacerbated by the pandemic. Our efforts to turn the economy around, to create opportunities for young people, to stabilize public finances and to restore state-owned enterprises have now suffered a great setback. To emerge from this crisis will require an extraordinary effort. Our central concern on this Workers' Day is for the health of all our people. We are concerned in particular about the vulnerability of workers, the unemployed, and the poor. Millions of our people still live in informal settlements and crowded areas. Many still do not have access to adequate water and sanitation, and many are undernourished. Millions of workers rely on public transport where there is a great threat of transmission of the virus. In order to limit the devastating impact of this virus, we moved swiftly to declare a national state of disaster and implemented a national lockdown. We have had to limit people's movement and limit contact between people to stop the spread of the virus. The nationwide lockdown has had a huge impact on the lives of poor people, as basic liberties like freedom of movement and freedom of association have had to be curtailed. Millions of South Africans have struggled to earn a livelihood and also to feed their families. We all recognize that the lockdown is necessary to save lives. It has kept the infections and the fatalities low, while giving us the time to mobilize more capacity for the expected peak in infections that the scientists tell us is coming.
All right, that's President Ramaphosa.